it's me, Blue. So there's something different about me. You may have noticed. It's by my eyes, around them. Hint, hint. I got glasses! And there's nothing else that goes better with glasses than earrings. Well, actually, I don't know if that's true, but that's what I think. So today, I'm going to show you how to make some tassel earrings. Let's get started. First, you'll need 3 different colors of string, thread, a needle, earring hooks, and loops. These little loopy things. Oh, jump rings. Yes. So the first step for you is to make the tassels, and the first step for me is to take off my glasses. And then I'll make the tassels. The first step is to pick a color that will be the top color of your tassel, and you cut it into a bunch of equal strings. So once you have your stack of threads, get one string, fold all your other strings in half, and tie it around so it looks like a little tassel, like that. Trim your tassel to the size that you want. Now make 2 tassels for all your other colors. Use your needle and thread to string the 3 tassels together and tie a knot at the end of your thread. Use your string to tie onto your jump ring and your earring hook, and then you're all set. Repeat this whole video over again for your second earring. Wear glasses and walk around looking awesome. And that's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe and don't forget to check out all the other cool Glitter Girls videos. Bye! I am the Lorax. I speak for the trees. Okay, so